Legio.
So hey.
Abracadabra.
So I'm here with Lera today, and we're going to play the Fluffy Bunny game. So basically each one of us has a packet of marshmallows. So I put one in and say Fluffy Bunny, and she puts one in and says Fluffy Bunny, then I put the second one in, and who has the most marshmallows in their mouth and can say Fluffy Bunny wins. Let's go to Fluffy Bunny.
Fluffy Bunny.
Open your marshmallows.
Не правильно.
Fluffy Bunny.
Fluffy Bunny.
I have the room in my mouth already. Fluffy Bunny.
Fluffy Bunny. Fluffy Bunny. Fluffy Bunny. Fluffy Bunny.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm crying. Oh. Oh, that was awful. I got 5 and she got 5. It's a tie. Don't do that at home, kids, please. Oh, that was fun, a bit. In the next week, me and Lera and another one of our classmates, we are going to a physics camp. Or science, I don't know. Well, it's physics and maths, so... What makes it funny is that I don't know physics, I don't do physics, it's awful, duh. So yeah, we're just going for the sake of it. So that means I will upload my next video probably after the next week. Bye! Bye. Okay then. Also I bought this. Keep calm and have a gum. That's awesome, isn't it?